Okay. Oh yeah, boat. Big ass boat.
Enemy boat.
Nobody on the back.
Spotted.
Come on, can't move. Yeah.
Alpha is now ours.
Somebody's here. Somebody's here. Somebody's here. Somebody killed somebody right there just now. Somebody's here on foot. I'm right by the right side of the bridge, not the front of it.
Objective Echo has been
Charlie.
lost.
By the bridge towards the other side. We got rib boat. We got rib boat. We got rib boat. We got simmers in the water. We got simmers in the water.
Due north of your position.
Fuck.
Throwing grenade.
Damn, dude, I got a whole squad coming up. Got guys up here. Got guys up here. By the flag. By the flag. Squeaky, watch your right. Oh shit! There's another one. Nice. Yeah, there was another one. He got me too. Damn, I can't believe I missed all that shot. He must be high. Let me jump in his jet for a minute. Hey, don't steal them blueberry choppers, man. The idiots. That's what I'm saying.
Good work, boys. Objective Delta's been taken.
I spotted an enemy boat.
Oh shit, got his jet. I almost collided. I turned. Oh shit! I almost went in the drink. Oh, we are squeak. Shouldn't be up in the jet too long.
Enemy boat spotted.
Oh shit! They're gone creeping quicker than a motherfucker. Lift up! Up there, up there, up there! Gas, gas! Petrol!
Our objective Bravo is lost.
The 8 on this island over here. I'm in the jet still, the 8 on the island outside of Bravo. Yeah. It locking me up. We got parachute coming in.
Hostile machine gunner. Due north of your location.
Yeah, I'm gonna jump out this. I'm gonna jump out the jet. I'm jumping up. I'm gonna try to find a here for a nice little beach. Come on, come on. Beacon down.
Hostile heavy armor. South of your location.
That boat on the left. I'm taking fire, I'm taking fire.
I can confirm objective Charlie neutralized.
Come on.
Objective Charlie is now under our control.
Got a reboot down here.
I have positive ID on the sniper north of where you're at.
Reboot clear. Yeah, I hear it.
We have lost control of objective
Oh
Alpha.
shit. In the building. I thought we were shooting at me. Got hits on me. That motherfucker. But he was just. Oh, they got right on top of me. Holy shit. Remember I used the beacon.
Delta.
Oh shit, got guys pushing in. Fuck. Got you, bitch. Get him back in. Got a healer coming in. Keep hitting the damn cockpit and not in the goddamn pilot. The Alpha side is not safe, please. Hey, they're coming from Alpha. Look at the basketball court. There's a sniper. Oh shit, there is. Come on, man. That's what that dude should be. Damn. That shit should be dead, dude. Shit, shouldn't put my parachute in. Holy shit. Pull it too soon. This guy's spot me coming up the skies. See what I'm saying? I've got spotted already. Damn rib boat. Ooh, behind us, some shit, man. Hold on, buddy. Wait. Where you at? Okay, I'm in the beacon again. There's a guy in the tunnel. Then the tunnel. I don't feel safe over here. I don't feel safe at all, dude. Don't come on.
Lost objective Delta.
In the tower. I'm going too close. My kit ain't designed for close quarters, boy. I hear a boat. That boat doesn't sound too friendly, man. On the right side over here, there's a boat somewhere.
We now control objective Bravo.
Dude, I already shared the server names because I'm tired of getting too many stream snipers and all that stuff. So, man. Hey, dude, parachuter, island across. There is.
Enemy soldiers spotted.
Got it.
Listen up. Spotted an enemy boat.
I don't know if there's... Thank you. I don't know if there's more than one. I saw it. I think we should push to Alpha. Thank you. Need one. Yeah, that's what I like. Hardcore. Sometimes in normal mode, you hit that guy, you have to give him 3 bullets or, you know. Where is he? Oh, dude, got right in front of you.
Objective Alpha has just been neutralized.
Thank you. So fucking quiet over here.
Objective Alpha is now ours. Objective Echo has just been neutralized.
And Bravo. Oh, by the flag, by the flag, by the flag. Die, bitch. Don't shoot that shit at me, motherfucker. Bully was going for his tag. Oh shit! Motherfucker, did the guy cross? Guys over here having a knife fight and shit. Oh, he just took his tag. I thought they were friends. Holy shit. Dude, I thought they were friends. I'm looking at these guys over here having a oh shit, this guy over here. Oh shit, shit! I'm gonna jump over the back part. Sniped up too, buddy. Hey, there's two guys on this island right here. What the fuck? You got both?
Objective Echo is under our control.
There's one more. Where is he?
We just neutralized Objective Alpha.
Fuck, he's behind me. Oh shit, shit. Yeah, he got me. What's up, Leo? Yeah, I'm on recon class, so damn. Woo! Where's this guy over here? I'm looking across on Delta.
Enemy sniper spotted.
I see them. Got a hit on the sniper. Yeah, got a hit on Delta. And then on the left side island, look at them.
I spotted an enemy sniper.
Oh, what a headshot! What a headshot! In the water too, you know, dude. Shit, man was swimming and I boxed his head. Hey, watch your back on the island. He moved. Bastard moved. He's right there. Oh shit, they're at the back of the island. Look at them. Hey dude, I'm marking them on the back of the island over there, man. I wish I had a times 8 scope. There's one on the very back. Oh, nice shot. I thought you shot him down in the RPG. I'm gonna swim across, dude. I'm gonna cross. They go from the right side though. Reload. Shit. Boat, we got boat coming in, dude. We got boat coming in. he got me. He done me in. He over there. Still got beacon on Bravo Alpha there. Hey, watch that far right, far left, sorry, not right. Shit. Hey, that little island across, dude. I think people should be over there. Oh no, I hear something. Oh shit! Woohoo! As I stopped to aim across, dude. Sniper bust across my face. Oh, we got a guy here with us. We got company. We got company here. Yeah, I got hits on that man. I got a guy on my right. Almost had him. I see the thing if you use a times 8 scope, dude, it just gave away your position and all that shit. So I try not to use. That times 8 scope. Ugh. Alright, fuck it. Alright, let's go. I'm back on my beacon, man. Back on the beacon. Bravo. Oh, I see a motherfucker running. Another one, there's another one. Oh! Oh shit, somebody's repairing some shit right here. Fucking AA.
We just set the C4.
Bitch ass nigga. I blew him up while he repaired the AA while he repaired it. I'm chucking C4 on it while he's repairing. You know the outcome of that shit, right?
Appears to be an enemy plane. Enemy aircraft south of your location.
I don't know going Bravo. Mr. Baggins get you. A lot of the rings got you. Yeah, you got me earlier on too. Belbo Baggins. Give me a tag, bitch. You're on your camping, you bastard. No, that's not Baggins.
Objective Charlie has been neutralized.
I'll scalp his head off, boy. The Bilbo Baggins. That's the one I'm looking for. Some of these guys. Oh shit. Some of these guys with some names, man, you have to laugh. What the fuck? Bilbo Baggins. Innit? I killed a guy the other day. Get what his name was. The two of them can tell it friends. One name was, oh, they found my beacon. Shit. Well, that's not his name. That was not his name, but oh shit! Oh my God, Squiggy, I saved your life. Man is gonna fuck you up. Man is gonna fuck you up, dude. Dude, I no scope the shit out of him. He trying to stab me too. I spawned in on you and saw him coming up. I turned around and no scope that bitch. I saw him. Man was stabbing, and just stabbed that bullet. Yo, man was running up behind you to mash you up. Yeah, the guy name, one of them name was testicles, and the other one was these nuts. So you could tell where they're friends. Yeah, my name is super cool. When I rang up Dice when I rang up an EA called me the other day and he's like, what's the name of the server on your account? I told him the name of the server. The guy said, oh my God. No, the guy's like, oh my God, that's a nice name. I never heard of a name like that before. So I gave him the reason why I named this. I gave him the reason why I named the server like that. He's like, it's a cool name, man. Oh, kill this quick. Talk to me. Oh fuck, they told him. I got one. I got one. I got one. One right here. Headshot, bitch. I got both of them. No, I got Ghost Hole already. He's dead. I killed him first. What ladders? One jump down. Ghost Hole dead again. Oh shit. There's one right by me. One right by me. Oh fuck! I dropped a grenade. Nice shit. He should be a medic. He should be a medic. Taking this little bomber right here, boy. Let's go, boy.
attack this objective. Objective Delta has been neutralized.
Nothing. Oh.
We now control objective Delta.
I'm coming back around. I don't see no boat or nothing over here. I'm gonna come back around to Charlie. So.
Attack this objective.
Jade, I'm away. Huh?
Objective Echo is out of our control.
Coming back.
Attack this objective.
Oh, I see a boat. Isn't it? Especially when you're in the boat, you're trying to shoot another boat. You can't even goddamn hit nothing. Cause the wave is just throwing off your aim.
I spotted an enemy boat.
Okay, come back to Charlie's side.
I need you to attack this objective. I need you to
Oh, they're on
attack
top.
this
Look at them.
objective.
Oh, nobody. Come on, man. I'm gonna call them guys up. I'm gonna do a vertical drop.
I need you to attack this objective.
On top of the ship.
Attack this objective.
Jared, I'm away. Nothing. Nothing. You just drop. I'm gonna jump out this bastard.
Lost control of objective Alpha.
Got some C4s ready to drop on their asses.
Attack this objective. Defend this objective.
Okay, let's see what's behind me now. Damn.
Objective Bravo has been compromised.
Come on, turn, baby, turn. We got a boat right here, boy. Ooh, got.
I spotted a hostile jet.
Uh-huh. Got something on my ass, though. Knocking the shit out of me. Must be a jet, dude. That feels like a jet. Can't be no AA.
Objective Charlie.
Got something down there. That boat go.
Attack this objective.
Oh shit, that boat right there. Oh shit, the boat!
Wait up.
Yeah, I got you, bitch. Going back for the boat.
Enemy boat spotted. I need repairs for my vehicle.
I'm getting locked up hard, dude. I can't even tell what is on my ass.
Defend this objective.
Oh shit! Boat is dead. I thought I lost it there, boy.
We lost objective Charlie. I need you to attack this objective.
Yes, sir. You're trying to shoot the boat. You're trying to hit it in the boat. You're trying to shoot a boat. You can't even hit nothing. You can't hit nothing.
Attack this objective. I need you to attack this objective. There appears to be an enemy sniper located north of your pause. Attack this objective.
Take it, mate. Charlie.
Defend this objective.
We got guys on the back part of Charlie. Something on my ass.
Defend this objective.
Which boat? Got something on my ass. Ah, man.
Attack this objective. Lost objective Bravo.
Lag. That lag. That lag, dude. What the fuck?
I need you to attack this objective.
That big ass boat.
I need you to attack this objective. Enemy plane. Enemy plane across your position.
I was gonna C4 the hell out of that boat right there. Damn. Living. Yes, sir. Apart from the warm-ups. I get a feel for the maps, like, okay, let's see if these guys, what we up against today. It normally take me around to get warm, you know. Now one round and I'm like, okay. I haven't played Metro for a long time. I know, they hold you down those stairs, huh? I'm gonna repair a tool, but yeah. Ah, fuck, Mario slams it. Oh shit, I'm gonna need to repair a tool if I need to stay alive in it. God damn. Come on, Blueberry, give me a tank. I don't get a fucking tank. Oh, I got a tank. Oh, yeah, I stole one from a Blueberry. Oh, little, how many people you got here? I stole one from the right, let's go. Shit, give me a second.
Let's move. Come on.
I see a parachute right here. They're just hiding on the corner. Oh shit! I got 2 tanks. Oh, oh shit! Dude, I was on that 1 tank, and next thing I saw another one pulled up. I couldn't do nothing right there to survive, boy. Hold on, let me grind a bit of this quickly. We can take him out then, huh? You're still up there? No, you. Alright. Oh, no, you're not alive for too long. Oh shit, no motherfucker right here. I'm going for the tank. I'm going for him. Hit him, Squiggy. Hit that fucker, Squiggy. Oh shit, the thing killed me. I killed both of us, but damn, didn't expect the explosion to kill me right there, man. Yeah. We got 1 tank. Now the tank that we needed is still alive, man. The tank that we want to take out is still alive up there. Back in Alpha. Oh shit, inside Squiggy. Come here, bitch, where you running into? Where's the other one, bro? Where's the other one? Is this still up here? Hey dude, over here is crazy of a freaking Alpha here, boy. Let's see, guy on the right. Hilo. Squiggy, somebody here. Got Hilo coming in my side. Somebody's close by me, man. The Hilo's rushing over too. Sit down to bomber clot, man, a Jamaican murderer boy. You know I'm not ramping, man, a retired gunman. I want him to, no. I don't feel like this is a water pistol, bitch. Oh man, I don't feel safe right here, boy.
I have eyes on a hostile agent soldier just south of your position.
Come on. Freaking vibration threw my aim off on that one right there. Shit, there we go. Which one? Oh, he's on the left side. Left side. Oh, let me quickly roll this up. Quick time. Just a moment. Let me just roll this. Oh, the pressure in your squeak. What the hell is our armor though? We ain't even got no armor up there. No armor. Where's our armor at? You know, sometimes I try to take a tag and next thing you know the guy just instantly just like Jesus just come down and say turn around. And that bitch just turned and counter a dog tag. Oh, look at this Hilo right here. Oh shit, this nigga's dead. I'm taking this Hilo. Oh shit, got guy ahead. Guy ahead. Negative on that. Sniper, sniper, sniper. Sniper, sniper. Can't even see him through this freaking smoke. Oh shit, bitch is right here. He killed himself. Man killed himself. Oh my god, he's trying to kill me with the freaking M30, MD, whatever, grenade launcher thing. And he killed himself. I need a medic though, cause he took off almost all my health. If I fly pitch on my skin, I'm dead. If I fly pitch on me right now, I'm dead, dude. I'm solo now. Hey, Jeep. I'm looking on the mountain side. I don't see nothing yet. Oh, shit. I got rid of pistol, man. Told you if I fly just pitched on me right there, I'll be dead. Oh, shit. I got picked up, dude. Give me some med back, dude. Give me some med back. Yeah, I'm 100. God damn. Jesus himself is on the battlefield. Wide open. Oh shit, guy right there, guy right there, guy right there. Come on, Blueberry. Open up, Blueberry, on your right side. Blue, open your eyes and look, man. Look at the motherfucker right in front of you. Oh, you found him, yeah? Nice. Yeah, they're all in the building. Oh shit, hillside is quick.
Neutralized objective Alpha.
I should be cheeky and put a beacon right here.
We have taken objective Alpha.
Alright, hillside. Oh, we just stole him. Yep. Watch from Charlie, man. We're coming back from Charlie, dude. Yeah, one dead.
Neutralized objective Echo.
Hey, Blueberry, the guy right behind you. Oh my god. I'm getting flanked. I'm getting flanked. I am getting flanked. My coffee must be cold. Oh my god, my coffee must be cold. Alright. This guy right behind. Oh my god. Oh my days. Fucking repair two right here. Robot. Ooh, Baggins got me. Baggins up in the hillside. I'm taking the hammer. I'm taking the hammer, dude. Let's quickly come spawn this tank and take this tank. Yeah, heal up. Spawn this tank and take this tank. I'm gonna snipe off some objectives, right?
Objective Echo.
Oh shit. Yeah, I was in night vision mode, so wasn't paying attention. Okay, yeah, there you go. You ready? He's dead. Take over. Tank is
Enemy
yours.
sharpshooter spotted. Just west of your position.
Man, you got repair toolkit, man. The jet coming your way.
敌军的飞机在天空上，必须要小心，大家注意。
My beacon is still up there. My beacon is still up there. They haven't found it yet. No, I'm in between Charlie and Bravo here. Oh, come on. Oh, man. Oh, shit. Oh shit, something coming my way. Shit. And the C4 him, you know, the C4 hit the goddamn Jeep and it didn't kill him. And it didn't kill him. Oh, they found my beacon. They found my beacon. Yeah, guy coming in on the back door from our spawn area. Wow, where the guy jump over and just maz me. Nice.
Echo has just been neutralized.
I'm going up on their spawn now. I think my beacon has been compromised, dude. Beacon has been compromised. Hey, the guy's coming up on. Is that you on the roof? The guy coming up. The guy in the building beneath you.
Now control objective.
The guy on the right side. Dude, they're all over the left. Look at them two. Elo. Oh my god, I don't know what to shoot at. I'm going for that guy on the roof. Hey, if you're on the rooftop, there's a guy up there on the roof on the hill. That's not you up there. Hey, Squiggy, watch it from there. Look on your left, Squiggy, look at your left. I got yellow jacket. Payback. Step on. Oh, Elo got that guy up there. Oh, Squiggy, watch your back. God. Watch your back, Squig. A different guy killed you. Alright, time to go Rambo. Time to go Rambo. I'll go medic class, alright? That'll be the medic. M16. Okay, I'll have my 45. Oh, what the fuck? What was that? What was that? What was that? What the hell? There's a tank out here or some shit. Get up, stop sleeping on the job. Men back for you. Five, 6, bitch. Oh! What a sniper rifle have I got can use? He's a CS5. We need a beacon down or some shit. I don't really. Tank. You ain't gonna survive this. Little RPG right here. Oh, Baggins got me. Baggins at 2%. Yeah, I think he's dead. Oh, your explosion, I don't know if tanks are dead or what. What is that? What the fuck is that? Is that a grenade launcher or some shit?
I spotted an enemy aircraft south of you.
Dude, grenade launcher. That grenade launcher guy. Where the hell is he? Got one.
Listen up. Objective Foxtrot.
I know. Watch your back in the house. Got him. Got him. There's another one coming my way. Did the tank kill him? I think so. Transport.
Guys have spotted an enemy machine gunner west of you.
There's a sniper on the rooftop. Somewhere. Bravo. Game is laggy. Fuck.
Objective Foxtrot has just been neutralized.
Get off that bitch. Oh. Right side, laying down in the field. I got yellow jacket again. We're losing Charlie. Come on, there is somebody lagging out the game, man. I'm looking down on Charlie.
Be advised, we've lost objective Charlie.
In a corner, somebody got Charlie.
Spotted enemy machine gun west of your position.
I wanted you to tag on your run, so I'll just shoot you.
Objective Bravo is neutralized.
I got it.
We have just taken control of objective Charlie. I've eyes on a hostile tank just west of your location.
Left side, left side. Oh, oh, oh shit! Come on, man. There's so many coming down. Got two. Oh, three, I think. Yeah, quite a few, including those I cleared on Charlie. But jumpers. In the picture. Yes, sir. I'm jumping, but I can't see myself. Roll with me, dude. Roll with me. We get more kills. Man. Yeah, I ain't lying. Yeah, just roll with me, man. Got 20 and 12. No, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, what pisses me off sometimes, that I play with some guys, right? It's okay for them to be killing, but when people kill them and kill them 2 times, they complain and this is this and trying to find some silly excuse. Yeah. Yes, sir. Sometime, man. Ain't it? Yes, we do, sir.
Атаковать эту цель!
Yeah.
Атаковать эту цель!
We need now control objective Echo.
Yes, sir. I'm a medic, so you guys gotta go first, man. You're the pawns. Go and get killed. I'll hang back. Come on, push. Push, motherfuckers. Push while you stop. Push! Jeez, these guys are so slow, they stopped. Oh my god. I'm the look, enemies are right here already, dude. I'm the medic. I can't go forward yet. Squiggy, you dead? I'm coming up. I'm coming. Shit, hope I can get you. Oh shit, can't get you. Hey, downstairs is wide open, you know. Get ready, Squiggy. Get up and move. Get up and move. There you go. My man. Shit, man. Dying downstairs again. Did my job. Did my job. Going downstairs, I'm pushing downstairs. Yep. Squeaky, I'm gonna die. I knew I was gonna die, I just knew it. What's your PSN ID? I'm gonna send your friend request to you. What's up, Divecomb? Yo, what's up? Sorry, man, I was concentrating in that shit just now. It's Orlando. But you can't send me a friend request off my settings, so send yours in the chat and I'll accept it. I'll send you a request. Pick you up, Uber. Get ready. There you go. Man, I ain't even getting no kill yet, dude. I'm just fucking picking up people. What the hell? I'm just picking up people. I don't know why my comments is not showing. I'm not sure. What's this, dude? Okay, I need to try to change this to something more devastating. Ready for this? Let's go. Oh shit! Robot downstairs. Oh my god, and I run right in a freaking enemy. You got you too? Dude, the good just dropped. As I bend the corner, I'm dead. He's downstairs somewhere camping up, I just can't feel it. They're coming downstairs too. Still watch it downstairs. Come on! Jesus Christ, the guy just one shot me. Again. Look, I'll have to go take up my fucking LMG and shit right now, dude. Yeah, I'm gonna get my LMG out, boy. Nice squiggy, nice squiggy, nice squiggy.
Вот вам патроны.
Where there? Which way? Which way? Which way? Bravo, 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 bravo. Gun down, motherfuckers. Kill streak. Kill streak. I need to reload, but man, I'm taking a chance. Oh, Bluebird went down. Oh fuck it, they come, they're reviving. Oh this shit! Reload quick! Ooh, I need a medic up here, I need a medic up here. A medic up here, I need a medic up here. I need to move out of this goddamn turn by myself.
Objective
Oh,
Delta
there's a black guy up there, but damn, I need some medic. I see a med bag right here, so I'm taking some.
Вот твои патроны.
Delta push.
Обороните эту цель.
Objective Bravo is now under our control.
Downstairs coming up, downstairs coming up.
Neutralize objective Delta.
Fucking hell, fucking hell. God damn! Man, fuck it, I'm just going up on your ass, man. Okay, I need to take that bipod off, because the bipod just throw the aim all over the place. Yeah, the bipod just... I'm gonna take it off, man. It's good to have it, but damn. It just throw your aim off a bit. Oh shit, Squiggy. Oh, they're spawning on you. What the fuck happened? I don't even know where I'm at. Okay, medic room. Left side, oh my days, I felt that one coming. I should have known better, man. Watch that left side. You got you too. Pikachu. Let's call him Pikachu. Okay, where we are.
Вот твои патроны. Возьми.
What was he? Yeah, just send me yours, buddy. Type yours in the thing. Oh shit! Oh shit! A claymore! Oh shit! I almost got fucked with a claymore. Lucky. I lost everything up here. We need to go get some of this shit up here. Pillbox, hey, fucking machine gunner. I couldn't even lay down. I could not even lay down. Let's get this shit over like this, and shall we? Okay. Okay, bro. Okay. Oh my god, man. I had a plan to put a beacon at the back, but shit, I went outside. Yeah, I changed it because of, you know, reasons. You guys still out here? Come on, what the come on! That dude is the luckiest bastard so far. You ain't so lucky this time, motherfucker. Wake up, bitch. Stop sleeping on the goddamn job. What thing they're paying you for, boy? Wake up! Spawn on me, Squiggy. If you die. I should push up on the back of their asses, innit? Yeah, that's what I should do. I'm right here, bitch. Come on! Bitch! 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 Oh, goddamn phantom boat explosive tips. This a bitch. Ah! Yeah, he coming inside from the snow. I see enemies 12 o'clock. In the kitchen, Shit, shit. I see him. Hope he don't see me.
Objective Echo has been neutralized.
This motherfucker is so quick. Oh shit. Oh, you bitch. He had backup down here.
Ребята, we now have taken control of objective Echo.
I've been chasing this nigga for 10 minutes. Oh, more. Yeah, that turn that staircase on go up, man. Cocking a shotgun shell in that. Boom, man, just shot me down there. PDWR. I see somebody, but yeah, man, I was late and reaction time was late. Damn. Reaction time was off. Damn, they got everything down there. Holy shit. Hope I don't find a claymore. Come on, boys. Push, man, it's a freaking video game. What are you guys scared of? Come on. You die, you spawn back in. Fuck. Yeah, you die, you spawn back in. What the fuck you guys scared of? Come on, get in there. I'm gonna be cheeky and put a beacon right somewhere within the freaking spawn here. I don't know where to put it though.
Objective Bravo has been neutralized.
Come on. Oh shit, don't go too far with this mountain.
Listen up. We've taken objective Alpha.
There's a motherfucking mortar out here. Where's this goddamn motor guy at? This bitch is here somewhere. But where? Where the hell is he? Come on, show yourself. Hey, dude, we got a motor out here, man. Where's the motor at? Man. No, the motor is there, but I can't find the guy. So like you're kicking up a storm, Squeaky. Game done, I can't even get there. I can't even get there, can't even get there, can't even get there. Yeah. Yeah, just tell me your name, buddy, and I'll send a... I'll send a request. How much I did? What the fuck? That was not a good round. That wasn't a good round. I thought I did much better than that, dude. I know what it is. I know what it is. Hi. You smoke too much of that dope, so we kind of slow right now. So reaction time is delayed. Yes, sir. Reaction time is delayed, boy. Yeah. Okay. I guess I'll have to run engineer kit right here. Where's my baby at? I'm try for the hero. I got a lot of tow missile guys up here, so you know that, right? You know that, right? Let's transport them around. Let's transport them around. He goes up. You pop smoke already, Nick? Yeah, that was quick. That hero should be dead. Where the hell is he? He should be damaged badly. Where's that Kilo? I lost his ass. Can you see him? You have eyes on him? Alright, 10-4. Where's the chopper at? I'm looking for the attack chopper. Where is it? I hit him once and it seemed like he hit the building, but I don't know where the hell he went. Okay, let's go for this tank right here. Oh, he's dead. Oh, another tank. There's something shooting the fuck out of us. Hold on, buddy. I'll position for you properly. Give me a moment. Let me position properly. We should get hit from something. Oh shit, I see a helo. Lock horns. Lock horns. What's the tree, George? George up the jungle. Watch out for the tree. I see the attack helo. Attack helo's up. I made you laugh, boy. Finish him.
Where's the new location? There appears to be an enemy tank.
So once you're gonna go to prime it from your cold dead ends, huh? Rooftop right here, buddy. Beacon, buddy. Oh shit. What the fuck was that? Is that helo?
Listen up, we have just lost objective Delta.
Oh dude, you damaged me. You got repair. You better make sure you got repair.
请求维修，我的车完了。
I don't know a clue. I'm just gonna land on this building and hope you got repair. Hope so. Give us some reps, dude.
我需要维修。
Oh, you got reps, man. We cool, dude. The man got reps and shit.
兄弟，感谢你。攻击这个目标，
Delta.
你们快来攻击这个目标。我需要你攻击这个目标。
Got no armor on the road.
What is your orders? 攻击这个目标，快攻击这个目
Dude,
标。
I'm giving you orders. Just go where I tell you to go. You're still requesting. What is your orders? Are you deaf?
Objective Bravo 出来。我看到了，我看到了，是直升飞机。发现敌军直升机。
He's practicing. What?
We now have control of objective
Oh shit! Get out of here, nigga! This nigga shot me out for real, dude. I'm on him empty out a fucking gun on me up there. Damn. Where you at? Delta roof.
Objective Echo is lost.
This guy's here, man. Elevator, dude. Elevator, dude. Oh, we got a sniper somewhere across.
小心！
Oh, yeah. Got you too, you bitch. Two drugs. Two druggies. Got you. We just kill each other. Collateral damage, boy. Where the helo at? Let me get some. Oh man, I love to run my slams. You see, I stick with my slams and just run it. Still up there, Squiggy. Hey man, we need to get, man. We can't stay up here and survive, dude. We're easy targets, man.
I spotted hostile
I'm going down, man.
west of your current position.
Antonio Gambino killed me, boy. Man's a Mexican. Alpha, I'm coming down that way, boy. Geronimo! Shit. Oh shit.
South of your position.
Shoot at that boy.
Echo is now under our control.
How your vehicles, dude? Hey, Squiggy, Squiggy. In the middle of Alpha. On the left side. Look at him. They ain't gonna hit him. That's not gonna hit him. Oh! What a grenade toss! There's another one. There's another one. Another two. Fuck! I should jump down and get this. Man, I'm going down. Fuck it. Oh, come on. Is that 7? He got you too. Foam. No, no, that's not the guy.
Objective Delta.
Transport.
Heavy army spotted. Just east of your location. Objective Delta is now under our control.
I'm coming now. Oh shit, where am I? Okay, here we go.
We've lost objective Bravo.
I'm still on Alpha here.
我需要你攻击这个目标。
See a guy down there. Got a hit. Don't look up, don't look up.
我观察到了敌军反弹士兵。
Don't look up. Oh, bitch. Oh yeah, helo too. God damn it. I'm scared, man. You know what I'm saying? A lot of dead boy down here, man. I'm on Alpha Hedge. I'm watching that right door over there. Oh, somebody.
We have taken
No, we're not.
Echo.
What the hell he put that shit down for? That big old shit. Everybody gonna see that big old goddamn shit up there. You know what I'm saying? Like, hey everybody, look up here. Yeah, look up here. Oh shit, the guy over there for real, dude. Look. You better be quick, man. I'm just suppressing this guy right here. I can't even see him.
看到了敌
There he
人
is.
Lost objective Charlie.
Headshot, bitch.
Objective Alpha is now
Feel
under
the wrath of my Glock. Okay, I'm coming down now, man. Was that my footstep I hear? I swear I hear somebody coming up. Tank.
There's an enemy 50 cal gunboat just east of your location.
Hey, we got a fucking tank coming in. Where the fuck that idiot going? That son of a bitch! Yeah! Yeah, helo, yeah, helo. Uh-huh. You watch the little rascals? Uh-huh. They're coming from Bravo, uh-huh. Uh-huh. You ain't no goddamn man. I'm the man, boy. X the man. I'm the man. Oh shit. Got Mama Bear again. Oh shit, you got Claymore. This bitch over there, the shotgun. I didn't even see his ass. I saw the Claymore. He got you too. I saw the claymore in the ground, so I stopped to look at the claymore. Yeah, and then I saw this guy just standing right there with a shotgun. Oh, dude, you don't have to tell me, man. I was there, man. I saw it, man. I was there too. He killed me first. Trying to get echo. I don't trust my back into the tank gonna spawn in over there and here comes the building. She's buckling up.
We've neutralized objective Echo.
Building coming down.
Now control of objective Echo.
Stay back to beach. Oh, almost driving the goddamn water.
My bad. I'm sorry.
Oh, that jumper still on Charlie. No, I'm gonna tank. Oh, come on. Goddamn boat is moving, dude. Boat is on the move. Boat is on the move. Bravo. You shot the wall. That's what happened. On the other side of the boat is, you see him? Where did he go? I got Hilo high in the sky. Hey dude, pull this gate down. Oh, you run away already, man.
We've just neutralized objective Charlie.
I hear footsteps underneath this bridge. We got it. Ooh. Oh shit, look at him. Oh shit. The old man team over here.
We've lost objective Delta. Got it.
It's quickly, there's three guys in front of you. Behind you, Squig. Nice. Nice. There's two more running in front. I got tank.
我发现了敌军坦克。是的，我看到了敌军坦克。
He's marked
坦克被我们发现了。
towards Alpha. He's dead. Look at the guy on the side of the building. Look at him. Side of the building on Alpha. Is that a tank down there? Yeah, we got another tank down here. We're gonna tear my new asshole. We're gonna tear your new asshole, bitch.
发现了敌兵。我的车坏了，我需要点帮
Yeah,
助。
Hilo. Look at this mouth.
看到了敌军轻型装甲车。敌军的轻型装甲车被我发现了。Objective Echo is neutralized.
Oh, slam's going off again, boy. I need repair though, man. Shit. And I got another tank out here. We got another tank out here. I need repair. I got Hilo. Come here, baby. Come to daddy. Come to daddy, baby. No fly zone. That's what you call a no-fly zone. Okay, we got tank on Alpha, tank on Alpha. I got foot soldiers.
快来保护这个目标。 Objective Delta has
Tank
just
is
been
wounded.
neutralized.
Tank dead. We got another tank.
我看到了敌军坦克。
I'm wounded. He missed his shot. I missed mine.
敌军坦克被我们发现了。
Careful. We got foot soldiers inside the objective.
坦克。 Have eyes on enemy helicopter.
I need reps.
North of your location. 我的车坏了，我需要点帮助。
Oh shit, for fucking C4! And then turn around, I saw his ass! Oh! Yeah, healer. What the hell was that healer? I'm taking him down already.
Just neutralize objective Charlie.
Sniper.
敌军猎击手，
Alpha. Up top.
敌军猎击手被我发现
Up
了。
top Alpha. Snap that, Juggy. You drug abuser. You crackhead. You ain't got no skills.
Control objective Delta. Objective Bravo is lost.
Ghost killer. I'll see you legs, boy. Look at this bitch right here. See you, boy. See you, boy. You ain't got no. Hey, boy, what I'm doing? Man, original gunman, you know. Oh, he found me. The Grim found me. You better repair it. You better repair it.
Taking objective Bravo.
Closest one. We got healer right there. Oh shit.
我发现了敌军直升
He
机。
jumping. I'm on the left.
There's a hostile tank west of your position.
He's on the back. Dude, he's on your back. Where the fuck you going, nigga? Don't land nothing, man. Don't land nothing, man. You crazy ass.
Be advised. Objective Charlie has just been lost.
Come on, boys. Get back in and repair me. You stupid. Man, I'm getting out. I'm getting out. I'm getting out. You guys are crazy ass. I'm going down to Alpha, man. What's down there? Hey, I see guys. I see a guy. I see a guy. I'm going for him. I'm going for him. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? I see the mortar, but I don't see that goddamn dude. He came around here. I know he's there somewhere. Hey, hey. There's a guy somewhere. I lost him, but his mortar is right here.
发现了敌人，
Must have went into Alpha by the looks of shit. Ah, I hear him. I hear him. He's sniping. He's sniping.
North of your position.
Yes, I got your tag, you bastard chinks. I thought it was the other guy. I didn't want your tag. I want the other guy. The druggie. I wanted the druggie tag. I took shit or whatever. Hold on.
Have eyes on a hostile host just south of your position. Be advised.
Shit, I see a guy.
Objective Delta.
Oh shit. Did one jump down? Oh my god. Woo. I'm still on that roof. See guys down on Alpha. Look at them on the top. See them, look at them. Try to kill them before the game finish. Grenade! He dead. He fell off the roof. You know you're dead, right? I think I probably do. I bet a little bit better than last round. What did I do, Squig? 27-8. Hold on, toilet break. It's all good. I just had to out of the bathroom break myself. So what sniper rifle? What sniper rifle? There's a lot of sniper rifle I'm not use. Yeah, I should. I don't know which one. Okay, let's go Hancock style. Times 7. Fuck it, use that one day. Yeah, they're going for that rooftop. Engage him down there, engage him. Don't get them the helo, you crazy ass boy. Oh, we got the helo still. No, that's yours. That's our elo. Yeah, you better take it, dude. British gangsters. Yeah, we got a lab at the back of the road. We got a lab. We got guys beneath us down here too. Got the guy. Hey, better watch them goddamn mountains, you know, from way over there on the right. What's that? We got AA over there too. Oh shit, what am I doing on the front here? You got AA at the back of Bravo. Guy in the road right here. Oh shit, shit. Somebody else is sniping at me.
I'm sorry, soldier.
I'm becoming a target. Yeah. I'm not even sure.
Be advised, we have lost objective Delta.
Elo. Shit, this bitch just got Elo right on top of me. Alright, what we lost? What we lost? Still got lost our beacon, right? I'm going Charlie. Welcome back, dude. Welcome back. Shit, god damn. Ooh, I almost killed myself.
West of Route 1, there's a hostile enemy.
Hey, we got big ass lav coming over across from their spawn. I want to get off this island, man. This lav is gonna mess us up. I got this guy on Echo right here. I know I see a guy right here. Oh, Echo is their base too, innit? Shit. I'm going in the enemy zone.
Advised, objective Alpha is neutralized.
I'm going in the hostile zone. Oh, you saw me late, huh? Motherfucker. Oh, what a shot! Woo!
I need a mechanic.
What I missed? Another sniper up here. There's another sniper. Man, there's a lot of snipers over here. Echo. That one dead.
Have eyes on enemy sniper just north of your location.
There's gonna be suicide. Freaking suicide, man. I'm by myself over here, man. I'm not draining the ticket. The
West of your
motherfucker
location
upstairs.
appears to be an enemy helicopter.
Oh, Jamaican! Oh, I just took a Jamaican tag. I just took off a Jamaican tag. Oh, shit. Hey, Jamaican brother, what's up, Jamaica? Oh, shit.
Okay, yeah, looks like an enemy aircraft west of your position.
Yeah, man, be quick, man. There's a guy flanking me on your back. He's flanking on your back. Where did he go? Where did he go? Where the hell did he go? Where the hell did he was here. What the fuck? Damn! I got one too, but damn, this dude took a whole, almost a whole clip.
Alright, thanks.
Look over Echo. Got take the off, man. Shit. I have to drop this beacon down somewhere I could spawn. We could spawn. Oh, we're losing Echo again, man. We're losing Echo again. We're losing Echo again.
Listen up. We
too. Got beacon down here, man. God, that guy that took his tag, he was a sniper. There's quite a few snipers that killed down here. So I know there's a beacon around somewhere, but to find it. That's on that. Okay, that's on the other side. In the wall. I must got a beacon over here or something. I'm pushing up on the objective right now, like Delta. I'm going up Delta side. Snap that guy from the left. Somebody sniped him from the left. Oh, 1911 me on the right side. Shit.
You've neutralized objective Delta. I spotted hostile enemies just west of your cruise.
Hi, sniper. You bitch! I took your head out clean. I saw his friend, and I looked towards his friend. I saw the scope. I just bust that head wide clean open. I'm gonna be cheeky and put a beacon right in the middle of their face so they can. I don't know. I'm gonna be cheeky. I'm gonna be so cheeky. Where should I put this thing?
Objective Alpha has been lost.
I can't put it right here. I'm gonna be cheeky. Right in the bushes.
Have spotted a hostile LAV north of your position.
I'm going around the back part. We'll have, oh shit, dive on the back. Look at this bitch right here. Give me a tag. Who else is upstairs? Oh my god. Oh shit! I saw the goddamn wire. I saw the wire and it was too late. My god, I felt. Oh shit, there's a guy on the rooftop. Guys on the rooftop, guys on the rooftop, guys on the rooftop. Oh my god, I couldn't even blow the C4 before his friend even turned around. Hey, there's guys on the rooftop, dude. Delta. There's two of them up there. He's shooting shit at me. Bitch. I got one. You're a whole player because you have... Nah, dude!
I spotted an enemy subject.
I'm not really a whole player, I just don't change. One of my knife I got like... I master most of the knives, so I don't really stick to one knife. I don't really switch up the knives and all that stuff, you know what I'm saying? I'm on your left. I got Elo coming towards you. Heads up, Elo, above you. Yeah, dude, I don't really switch up knives and all. I just stick to one knife. Oh, we got a sniper at the back. It's a trap! Run!
Objective Charlie has been neutralized.
We got a chopper. Shoot the chopper down now.
我看到了，我看到了，是直
Get
升
it
飞机。
down now. Oh shit! Tank. Yeah, I play normal game mode. I play every game mode, man. Okay, Since you say I got that shit, I got all the knives, man. I just choose not to use. I don't know. Okay, carbon fiber, scout, trench, Navy SEAL. Oh, let's use the bipod for my knife. Hey, I got bipod for my knife, Squeaky. I got bipod for my knife. Dude, the beacon is right in their face and I can't find it. Hey, dude, what you got, man? Put a claymore or some shit at the back of this ladder right here, man. This motherfucker's on this ladder. Oh shit, got claymore here too. What got you? Love at car park. Oh, I'm getting sniped at. Fuck, I can't even engage that, love. I'm getting sniped at. I'm getting off this mountain. I'm getting off this roof. Oh shit, I fell off. Well, that was the intention to come off anyway. Woo! Yeah, come and get this bitch. Ay. We got a little plan to go to Alpha side, but there's an AA holding it down over there, and I can't jump on this boat. I'm gonna jump on this boat and drive across to Alpha. Oh shit! Look to my left, I got armor coming in. Drive. Push it. Push it. Push it, push it.
Objective Alpha is neutralized. Just east of where you're at, there appears to be a hostile machine gunner.
Alpha.
We have just taken control of Objective Alpha.
Tank. I hear a mob. I don't know if there's a friendly or anything. Tank. Tank.
发现了敌军。
Objective Delta has been taken.
Ooh.
敌军坦克被我们发现了。
And we're gonna blow that tank up. Use the Jeep. Did he shot him out the Jeep? Did he shot? Did this guy shot this dude out the Jeep? Oh shit, got guys inside. A sniper shot at me, he knows I'm here. He knows I'm here. I gotta move. Dude, these guys are driving down the road killing and shit. Come on, fucking kill it, dude. Nice, Squiggy. Oh, look at that MBT, law. Nobody. Ah, I see medic. Come on, get up there. Where the hell is that coming from? Oh, she got tank. bastard. Back on that beacon, I guess. And snipe off that rooftop. Make sure you take perfect cover. You know, we're in the wide open, right? You hear them drones coming in already? Hear that shit? You hear that shit? You hear that shit? You hear that shit already, boy? I see one right there. Headshot. Woo! Tank coming up. Oh shit, I fell down, god damn it. Oh shit. Woo! Oh. Get ready over here first of all.
Just west of where you're at, I've spotted hostile machine gunner.
Hey, a mob squeaky. Is that you flying a mob around? I'm friendly.
Enemy sharpshooter spotted. Just west of your position.
Come on.
We've lost
Stop
control
running,
of
bitch.
objective Bravo.
Say, God damn it. Chop off him in damn it, dog. Damn it. Oh, look at Bravo.
We are taking control of objective Echo.
I got hit.
West of where you are, there's a hostile sniper.
Oh, I hit him too, man. He's at 9%. Yeah, he's on Bravo. Oh, counts as a kill. Okay, next sniper rifle in line. I use Gull Magnum SR61, 0.38 recon. Oh, I'm gonna use the L115. Oh, the former beacon. The Gull Magnum you have to play on Firestorm, and you have to go to the get like a sniper rifle ribbon and 5 kills from the tower. And unlock it. Okay, I'm getting off this roof. We got a lab coming up. We got a goddamn lab coming up. Hey, bitch. What? I am trying, bitch. This is fucking guy just back. Look at this shit. Oh my days, this guy's. You think you're. Oh my god. I chucked 3 C4 on this bitch, and this bitch didn't die. Kill my ass. Man, jump out the tank and turn me over the freaking FN57. And the tank is still up. We got to jump out the Elo too. There's a Elo around there. Oh shit, wasted my grenade. Oh shit, sniper. Then Delta. Come, Bluebird, shoot something, Bluebird, shoot something.
Objective Echo, now under our control. Listen up, we have just lost objective.
What? Damn. Oh, I forgot to add some chewing gums. Hold on. I'm off this a bit. Ah. 2 seconds, 2 seconds. Let me grab me some chewing gums. Man, that dude is lucky right there, man. He should be dead, and the man just. Yeah, man. I was just about to spawn on you too, you know.
I spotted enemy vehicle. Due east of where you're at.
You want him or you want him?
We have control of objective Delta.
Hey, that tank's easy, you know.
There's a hostile enemy. We have eyes, we have lost objective Echo.
Hilo. Where? Where?
Objective Bravo has just been neutralized. Due east of where you are at appears to be an enemy sniper.
I'm looking. Oh, a sniper runs in the distance.
Listen up, we've just lost objective Alpha.
I'm not a good at a shot as I used to be, man. So you better make sure you run in. Yeah, you better make sure you can skip bullet, dude. Oh shit, you got killed again. Okay.
Be advised, we now control objective Bravo.
He's dead. BTR. Oh shit.
装甲车被我发现了。
There's an enemy sniper. South of the position.
That's it. You're dead. Nah. Blueberry kill him.
Have eyes on hostile tank just west of his position. Listen up.
Don't
Control of objective Delta.
when you spawn in a beacon. Tank outside. Don't pull it shoot too quick. Oh shit, snipers on Charlie. What's the range? Yeah, I see snipers Charlie, look at it.
I have eyes on a hostile enemy north of your location.
Oh. Oh shit, I'm too high in the range. God damn, I'm so stupid. There you go. You bitch is running. Yeah, they're right there.
There's an enemy machine gunner just west of where you are.
Another one. Let me reload. Go for the boat. Baggins. Trying to hit Baggins off the boat. Can't hit Baggins. Baggins is going to Alpha. Game is done. Bilbo Baggins. That name, man. You're gonna remember that name tomorrow. Cause a cool name, innit? And they're gonna name them. It's gonna take it to the Shire. There's 17 and 10 in this one. Yeah. Take it easy, take it easy. Don't need to worry. Take your time, take your time. No need to hurry. Hear them down to the My best strategy on this round. On a normal mode, I will go shotgun and claymore. Until somebody starts to piss me off in the helo, I have to just switch to engineer kit. But for this mode, I just run sniper. Yes, sir. Where am I to go as? A medic? Now, what am I to do? Medic or sniper? Alright. I'm coming to the medic class. You got ammo for me? I'm gonna start off as a medic. Let's see how we get on.
Heads up! There's an enemy vehicle east of your location.
There's your med kit.
Oh, the back door.
We've taken objective.
Oh shit, another one right here, bitch! Oh my god. I'm gonna revive that guy. I'm gonna revive the guy and damn. The crackhead. Oh shit, I'm gonna go to the gym tomorrow too. Now should I do some back tomorrow? Hold on, I'm just rolling something. Hey. What's up, Canada?
Objective Alpha has been taken. We own Objective Alpha.
Steiner and I were
get downstairs, bitch!
we were on a different server, so I'm waiting for them to come around. So I don't see them up yet. I'm gonna go back and tell them you guys got a good server, it's all connected good and all that. Far out. Okay, man, yeah, that'd be awesome because it's like 3 of us.
Add it to your favorites. Add it to your favorites.
I will. I'll go tell the boys and we'll be right back because the raid server's all messed up.
Tell the girls too, man. Tell the girls too.
Okay, sweet man. Thank you. We'll be right back.
Come here. Die like a man, bitch. Sniper behind me. You dive like a man too, bitch. You ain't picking up nobody, motherfucker. Oh, wise John. He ain't wise, bastard. Oh shit. I got no scope. Now back to my sniping now. Alright. Alright. Alright, let me get a nice assault rifle and come with a nice class. Okay, we're gonna go with the Navy SEAL class, yeah? Navy SEAL class. Okay. What the hell am I doing? Dumbass. Okay. Alright. Ready with the class. Well, we ain't got shit though. Ah, damn. Are you in a tank? There's a tank beside you, dude.
Objective Echo has just been neutralized. We've taken Objective Echo.
Oh, where the fuck was that tank? Where was he? I didn't see him. Where is he at? You got me once. Hot boy, I don't see him. I don't see him at all, boy. Yeah, we need to jump on a chopper and go. This guy's an idiot. This flying this Elo, man. Just take us over to Alpha Bravo. Squiggy. We need to get over by freaking we need to leave these fucking bluebirds over here at Foxtrot, man.
Oscar Mike!
We got transport coming in.
Be advised. Spotted an enemy helicopter south of your current position.
Check the right side from Echo. I hear gunfire. K-Mo went off on Echo. Quad bike. Oh, it's Nene.
Hostile soldier.
Red light armor operating to your south.
Solid copy.
Use your ammo. Pick it up.
I ain't got nothing for the lab, man. Shotgun. You got nothing for the LAV, boy. I think I have to ease off the suppressor. Cause we ain't got no map on this, so I have to ease the suppressors off.
Been spotted south of your current location.
Nice shit, nice shit. Claymore got him, Claymore got him. Yeah, they're branching out in the fields, dude. In the hills. Got Claymore kill again. Stopping streak on Echo.
Enemy soldier west of your location.
Look at them pushing into Delta. Sniper. Claymore went off as I put it down. Sit your ass down, bitch. Claymore went off again. I'm Claymore just going off. Phantom boy, yeah, Phantom boy. Somebody find a Phantom boy about the place. On Delta here. He just killed a guy. I have no guy eyes on me. Seems like he's in the roof somewhere. You see him shooting at me? He shoot the fucking shit at me. You bitch, wise John. Got him in the Phantom boy, you motherfucker. Found him! You ain't wise, boy. If your name was Solomon, no, wise Solomon, I'll say you wise, because Solomon was the wisest man. John was a prophet. We need to go over by Echo side, dude. We need to find a way to Echo. Alpha, my bad, Alpha. Got LAV in our area.
I need you to attack this objective where you're at. Hostile, light armor spotted. Heads up, enemy sniper, north of your current position.
Got him.
Attack this objective. Come on, there's someone out
shit.
there. Move back here.
Spotted an enemy helicopter east of your position.
I spotted an enemy chopper.
Hit him. Oh, come on, give me a hit. Hit him. Oh, hit him. Oh my god, that was so close. Oh shit, RPG.
We just neutralized objective Alpha.
I shoot you in the leg, bitch. And that missed him.
I spotted an enemy sniper north of your position.
I did. Speaking of a lot of guys by the train.
Hey, Squiggy.
We've now neutralized objective Charlie.
Nobody got repair tool. Squeaky got repair tool. And fuck it, leave that
We
time.
now control objective Charlie.
Shit. I'm in position 1 of 1.
I've identified an enemy soldier north of your location.
Hilo.
Objective Bravo has been neutralized.
Steiner, do
Who
you
the fuck
in?
is the guy right here? I see him.
Um,
Oh my god, I'm not right.
Let me see. I don't know if I joined. No, I didn't join yet.
I just joined up through bottom. Join session.
Failed to join session.
Man, I got half an hour.
Objective Charlie is no longer under our
Half an
control.
hour.
Enemy chopper spotted.
Yep.
Well, some bitch I can't
I
join.
spotted an enemy helicopter.
Wow.
Okay, we got loads of guys on the left side, right side of Echo. Oh, somebody got shot out the Hilo. You ain't gonna take this, boy. You ain't gonna take it. I'm destroying it. Can't give them the Hilo.
We're still in queue.
Nice sniper. Tried to kill it earlier on and their friend saved their life. He's not dead. What?
There appears to be an enemy sniper located north of your pause.
Yeah. How many people we got coming in? I'll make room in this spot. Give me a sec. I'll make room for... Okay. Oh shit. Tell me later. I'll just kick a guy off the spot.
Who's bad luck duck?
Friends with me.
Okay. Because it says he's in the chat.
Yeah.
Oh, there you are. Hello. Oh, there you are. Come on, Q.
Alright. So now when the crowd's trying to, I would have closed everything out and rejoined or something.
Oh, he's got to back out and then rejoin. Good times.
God damn, that's an RPG and shit. Ain't that road kill this boy? Ah, one shot. Look at the left. Let's get out of here for a bit. We need some reps.
What the fuck
I
is...
need repairs. My vehicle's down.
And this bitch right.
Enemy light armor.
Damn! And the dude got killed as I killed him. Shit. That's fucked up. Turn this here now. I'm going in the hills, man. They're in the fields outside of Delta here.
I have eyes on a hostile helicopter east of your position.
Okay, which way? Oh, wait, this side. Glimpsed one. There's another one way over there. Look at it. Trying to go get his tag.
Let me make this clear. Objective Echo is out of our control now.
What the fuck? That's so close. See a guy way over here. Oh shit, I've been spotted.
There appears to be enemy heavy armor south of your position. We control objective Bravo.
Beacon dead. Guy inside the house, guy inside of the bunker, move, bunker, guy in the bunker.
There appears to be an enemy sniper west of your position.
Guy stayed in the bunker.
Get eyes on the sniper.
Two of them in the bunker. There's two guys in the bunker, two sniper in the bunker. If this one on Delta side or Bravo. I'm going Bravo and creep around the back of it. Where is it? Oh shit, it's on the other goddamn side, isn't it? What side is that damn bunker on? I've lost my bearings now, shit. I got a love right here, somebody shooting at me from somewhere high. Ooh!
Spotted a sniper.
Enemy sniper north of where you are.
Transport Elo. He's above us. He's going to the objective here.
I have eyes on an enemy machine gunner due north of your location.
Inside. Oh shit, guy right here speaking. My fucking god! Yeah, dude, I'm putting a Claymore down. And all type of shit happened just now. Got me killed, man.
Alright, I'm in queue.
I'm climbing the ladder. Man gonna die. Man gonna die on that ladder. Hey, don't go too high, Squeaky. Don't go too high.
I
enemy tank east of your location. Objective Alpha has just been neutralized.
This is the guy down there I'm going in.
Objective Foxtrot is under our control.
Yeah, and I had some really dry shake that I had made a little long. That shit just ripped me up. Oh, it went down so smooth, man. It fucking knocked me off so bad. Right yet?
Objective Foxtrot has been lost.
Shit, and I'm coming down there now. Hate smoke.
Soldiers.
Enemy vehicle has been identified east of your current pause.
We just lost Objective
I'm
Charlie.
back in the hills. Claymore got you.
We now control Objective Echo.
There's your ammo. Go get it.
I have eyes on an enemy vehicle due south of your current position.
What the hell? I'm lagging.
Alright, I'll be right back on. I'm still in queue.
So. Yeah, man. I just had a bad lag. I'm running. And then I like I log into something. Rocket truck is up.
I've spotted a hostile vehicle east of your position.
I got killed by HIV. Told you these guys have some weird name on this game, dude. HIV, no dude. Hey, shit, can't get it.
Objective Charlie is ours.
We got a lab on the outside left. Coming from Bravo side.
Objective Charlie now lost.
Shit. Taking serious fire off the fallback. Off the fallback. Breaking out this man. We got a tank right here
Eyes
too.
on an enemy tank.
Ooh! Man was waiting for me to stop and turn around, you know. Stop and turn to lay fire down range. Man, bust made off. Ah, let's try the bird. Let's go fly like a bird. AA must be locking down place. We got that right here, guys.
There appears to be an enemy sniper east of your location.
Oh, sniper not dead. Come here, before I not die like come on. Where'd he go? Think I know he's dead. I got helo up, helos up, helo up, helo up.
Heads up, hostile soldier due north of your position. Enemy chopper spotted. Enemy chopper spotted.
We just lost Objective Echo.
Rocket truck
Heads
up.
up, hostile tank is north of your current position.
Nice squiggy, nice squiggy.
I need you to attack this objective.
too. Oh, you slapped to the train.
Control of objective Charlie.
Attack this objective!
We have neutralized objective Echo.
There's a hostile sniper west of your position!
Yeehaw! I lost it. The damn thing. Ooh, still got it. I'll go heal up, heal up.
Objective Echo is in our control.
Attack this objective! I got eyes on an enemy chopper. Listen up! Enemy tank! Due north! Attack this objective!
We've lost objective Charlie. Heads up. There appears to be an enemy soldier just west of your location.
Got AA on my ass now. Oh shit, what a tree, George! What a tree, George! Damn AA.
I have eyes on an enemy tank south of your location.
Shit, fat lady about to sing. Was a good one too. Did you enjoy?
There appears to be a hostile helicopter east of you.
Damn helo.
We've taken objective Charlie. I need repairs for my vehicle. I need a mechanic over here. All right, be advised. There appears to be an enemy sniper east of your location. I need repairs.
We lost that one. You can't win too often when the only one squad putting in work, you know, bruh. Nah, but we on it. We on it, but one squad can't be working and the whole team just not doing nothing, you know what I'm saying? So we lose. Look at the score. Look at the scores. Yeah, man. We ain't let it. We ain't let it. No, my mic is not mute. After this one, I have to jump off, you know. Probably next week. When I don't remember when it's half term or something, I come up before the Friday. Yeah, coach. Yeah, to jump on the coach. No problem, bruh. You have time. You have time. I'm gonna fly some. You have time. We're on the right side of the map too. Shit. I want no vehicle. I just want You kill. Oh, you're the first blood boy. They killed you first.
Taking objective Delta.
Done shots up down to the rooftop. And done Bravo too, man. Cavalry. We got Hilo. Oh, I disabled the Hilo. Look at that. Shit. And blow the vehicle up too. He destroyed the Hilo, didn't get a kill off it. It's Nene. And watch him whip. Then watch him Nene. I see 2 enemies on the rooftop. Give me a double. Double! Sorry guys watching, this map is a map for my UCAV, man. I don't really, especially in this mode. Oh yeah, sniper. Oh yeah, sniper rifle.
I'm still in queue? Yeah. No. Q1. I've been Q1. I'm restarting this.
No. It's just full. Server is just full.
I'm saying, cause shit, I just went to use the restroom and came back and it's still.
Objective Alpha has been neutralized.
Yeah. I see nobody on that
not
hill.
letting me rejoin again.
These two wanna kill us.
Yeah, fuck, it won't let me join for some fucking reason. Oh no, it says failed to join, and each time I join it backs out and it won't stay connected.
What the hell is he? Oh fuck, I see him on the right. I missed him.
There appears to be an enemy aircraft west of your position.
Even when I go through the players section.
发现了敌人。
Alright, now I'm back in queue.
Charlie.
Now I'm in queue. Joining server.
Just south of the location, there's an enemy helicopter.
Let me know when him is on the team. I got a jeep. He's in the team.
Just south of where you are, enemy machine gunner spotted.
Give me a second. I'm fire. See you, Kev. Give me a second.
Yep, I'm on China. And
Now sniper. Good enough. Just try to check it out.
Luckily, I came off that screen quick there. Just seen a guy took a tag. Probably would have come and took mine. I did. Or somebody else coming in? You ain't hiding nowhere, boy. I see you, Wise John. You phantom bull
发现
bastard.
了敌人，注意，发现敌兵，
Come
I
on.
was trying to get an echo.
I got one shot on him.
发现敌兵，
West of your location, there appears to be an enemy machine gunner.
发现敌兵，
I must be. That was the last thing I played.
Ah, shit, I missed that guy. Son of a late. So, Prince. Coming on my final one for the night, boy. You know, later this, boy. Back almost 3 o'clock in the morning.
I saw
Bravo.
the enemy shot you. Just west of your current position. Be advised, we have neutralized objective Echo.
Oh, shit.
看到了敌人的兵，
Left side, guys, left side. Yeah, under the hill.
Now under our control.
Kill assist, nice, thank you. LAV, yeah. We got a guy on the ground too. Shit, LAV's in the water. Look at this motherfucker right here. Another one. Damn, my nigga stuck my streak. Oh, count as a kill too, man. Shit.
Yeah, I'm in here now. I think I'm on the wrong side though.
Negative.
No.
It's gone.
I spotted an enemy sniper just south of your location.
Alright, I'm trying to switch over to
你快拿去！
We've lost objective Delta.
Bravo.
Due west of your location. There's a sniper south of your location. Objective Bravo is neutralized.
Come on, I hate going up this damn ladder shit. Got a helo coming in a jet. Going for the helo. Come here. Man, he's running away. I got a jeep here too.
We now have control of objective Bravo.
Jeep on the back road. Got a sniper way up there. Bitch hit me.
Oh,
The
he's trying to
sniper's
go
up in
all
the
way
hills,
top.
man.
He missed it.
Oh, my back. Hey, there's a lot of snipers up in the hillside there, man. I'm going up in there. Oh shit! As I spawning on you, a goddamn love kill me. You bad lucky bastard. You bad lucky boy. Huh?
I'm doing alright.
Hold on, guys.
Yeah. Yeah. I didn't play for a little bit.
Been messing about, sleeping on the job and shit.
Dude, I was stuck on nothing on the fucking tarmac basketball court, and then now I'm stuck
got
on
a lab behind us.
I
got one into him.
bunches, boy. I'm in the back of the crib. Okay.
No fucking way.
Oh, it's just unlucky.
Delta has been taken.
Oh my god! That was unfair.
Top of Delta.
You came in the unfair way. See a boat way down there and Alpha coming up. Did he die? He didn't die because that guy was still running.
Damn, he killed me right away.
Parachuter! What the fuck? Ooh. The prince, there's a guy in the water swimming by you.
We got
There
one
was.
of them.
There's one in the water swimming. Right by the boat. The boat that Prince is driving, man. Damn, I
I'm
just
not
spawned on
driving
snap.
these dudes. We killed one of the guys. This is one. There's another.
Oh my god.
Ah!
Hmm?
We got a boat beside us. A rip.
Ooh, I got a jet. Gotta take the jet.
Alpha has been neutralized. 大家小心，敌军进行装甲车。
That guy was running up at Alpha.
攻击这个目标。
Back to Bravo.
我需要你来攻击这个目标。Hang on, let me help you.
Nigga jumped out. I'm gonna slam in him.
Let's move, come on. 我要你保护这个目标。
过了。
Oh my god. Alright.
Oh no, beach.
Shit.
Listen, appears to be
Can I
enemy
please
aircraft.
let No. What the hell is that?
He's with you, Luck. Look out.
Yeah, right behind you.
Oh my days. Okay.
Negative.
No.
Alright.
Beacon down.
Let's
Parachuter
go
on
all out.
backside. Delta.
No, they're in the hillside up there, man.
Oh, that boat's gonna be pissed. It's 3 times now I've gotten past.
Oh shit, this guy killing this guy, bro. Oh shit, it's me. Whoa, sniper, really?
Shit. Oh, I don't like you have don't come back. Oh, that sucks.
Hey, the sniper watching his back door, man. Man, sniper got the light beside me. The sniper's on the hillside, dude, and there's guys inside. Charlie. Hey, phantom bow, dude. Man, shoot phantom bow from across. Look at him.
We have just taken control of objective Charlie.
Nigga, think you're tough.
We have just neutralized objective Alpha.
Disabled. I hit him.
Hey, see, man. Mr. John Rambo. Yeah, John. Wise John. Told you ain't no wise John. John was a prophet, nigga. Solomon was the wise guy. Alright, sniper, I
Oh
hear
shit,
you.
I beached us.
Control of objective Alpha. Objective Charlie has been captured. I spotted an infiltrating soldier east of your position.
Where the hell are these sniper rounds coming from? Some like behind me on the highland or hillside up in. Yep. Then they spawn here,
I'm
man.
do it by myself. I got shot.
I'm gonna see my spawn and sniper the rascal out. Watch. You're a blood clot. I think when a bad sniper on, that's on a blood clot. Sacrifice this jet.
Hey, watch out, don't go there! Get back in here, we need you in here, soldier!
Objective Charlie has been neutralized.
Come on, what the fuck was in the freaking free zone, man? Come on, man. There's 2 bluebirds up there, man. I'll give him done anyway, shit.
Hey, Oos, try to shield me as much as you can with no health. I don't have any health.
What do you need me to do?
Just like if you go in and attack, try to remember to try not to leave me blind back here.
Oh yeah.
There's a hostile sniper east of your position.
Which I mean, I don't mind dying. I'm just...
Fuck it, man. I'll do one more round, man. Shit.
I was doing great until I beached us.
Yeah, I couldn't do it by myself, and that dude shot me with a sniper. Sammy.
Huh. What happened? Oh, I was just having fun. See it, shoot it.
I'm not even sure. Oh. Not sure, buddy. Dawnbreaker.
Well, bloody buddy.
I'll probably do about another map, and then I'm gonna take a break and watch.
In a minute.
Well, depends on what's on YouTube and Netflix.
Chicks with dicks.
No.
Alright. Anybody gonna fly? Anybody feel like flying?
No, I don't like beaver with cleaver.
Anybody gonna fly? Anybody?
I'll try to fly in there.
Fuck.
Look at this shit. I almost killed us all already. Too short. So that's some Japanese. Dude, all the helos steady, man. Look, I got on the goddamn rooftop. This crazy ass nigga right here. You're gonna get us killed, man.
Put me a little ice.
Where you running to? Okay, I'm taking a transport helo.
We're just taking control of objective Charlie. I've eyes on a hostile enemy south of your location. I need a right. Hold on.
Oh, look at the bridge. Helo's right here. Oh shit, we have to jump. We have to jump. 3, 2, 1. Bail.
South of your location. There appears to be an enemy helicopter.
Oh damn, Emrap shot me out the sky. Ah.
This helo will be coming back up in a minute.
Alright, time to run normal kit on this thing now. Devastation.
Bring ammo if you're gonna fly.
I'm flying them on the ground.
You ain't getting that dipshit.
Got AB mine over there. Hey, Blueberry, you scared the crap out of me, man. Behind. What the hell is
Right you land? Nobody knows. There comes the little bird.
Due south of your location, there appears to be an enemy machine gun.
Kilo.
Damn, what the fuck is hitting me?
Snipe them.
All right, thanks. Okay, I'm not taking Charlie. East of your location, appears to be enemy vehicle. Delco, Charlie.
50 cal is up. There's Dunkin' down on me
Just
too.
neutral. Objective
There
Bravo.
is. Oh, RPG'd right in my face. What's up? What you got? Ah, shit. I spawned in fucking. I thought you had a helo, man. I spawned in quick. Prince, take me over there on that roof. Prince, drop me on that roof. Prince, you need to move.
Objective Bravo has been lost.
Prince, go high, Prince.
Enemy soldier north of your location.
Oh my god, I got a truck again. Man, I have to go on foot for this motherfucker right here, man. I'm gonna go clear that goddamn bridge, dude. I'm gonna go clear that bridge.
I'm at the bottom of Alpha.
Alright.
Whoa! Man, I spawned and stuff and sniper bust me.
Oh, I'm lagging. What the fuck? Come on. Lagged out.
Control, objective Echo.
Damn, I was there. Fucking bullshit.
Fucking
Lagged
loud.
to the fucking ground, man.
I got another love on the bridge. I got a helo here. Where's that sniper at? I don't know. Oh, there is. There's one. Come on. Come on.
We're LAV back at the base.
Come on, man. Come on, sniper.
Objective Alpha is now under army.
Where the hell I came? Alpha. Oh shit. Give me a hit. Give me a hit. Oh. Come on, come on, come on.
Objective Charlie has been
You suck.
Oh my god, I got soda.
Move Tosh O to the other team. Motherfucking dumb fuck. Keeps getting a chopper and can't fucking fly it.
Yeah, I love coming up to truck coming to Alpha. Alpha.
Listen up. Objective Echo is now under our control.
Friendly.
Enemy vehicle spotted east of you.
Oh shit, guys on the rooftop. Guy on the rooftop across from Alpha. Come on, all these snipers on this goddamn roof. They're all on the roofs.
Oh my god. Please move Tisho to the other side.
Who?
Fucking Tisho.
I've lost our chopper. Just west of where you are at.
是的，我观察到了敌军直升飞机。
Idiot.
There are a lot of snipers on them rooftops, man. Bitch! I wish I could see that
What's
tea
up,
back.
folks?
Lost control of objective Charlie. Charlie has just been lost.
Got healer and shit, man. Watch them snappers on the rooftop. Pretty good too.
Eyes on enemy helicopter. Where's the position?
Come in no-fly zone. Where is he?
我发现了敌军。
Truck. My mine's still here. Yeah, healer.
发现敌军直升机。
Hit him. What? Fuck that. And wasted my hammer.
I got an enemy sniper just east of your location.
Hilo. Sniper.
No, I'm here. I left to go see where those other ones went, but Prince and what's his name just left.
All on the roof, man.
There's a hostile sniper.
Give me a tag. I went through your claymore and took your tag. Bitch, how you feel? Fucked up, huh? Went through your claymore and took your tag. Knife service style. You got pitched down, boy. helo up top. Guys on that building and shit. Helo landing. Oh my god, dude. Oh man. These guys are just camping on the building tops, dude. I need to get the hell. Hey, spawn on me in the helo. Spawn on me. Fuck this shit. Spawn on me.
Objective Alpha, just been lost.
Let's fly towards this way away from the damn lads. Rooftops. Guys right here, look at this shit. Look at him. There's one more. There's Mark.
Bad luck, take that.
I've spotted an enemy machine gunner just north of your location.
Yeah.
Bad luck, switch seats.
Look, they got beacon right up here, see? Look at it. Get it. Oh fuck, I missed him. Fuck! I destroyed his beacon and shit. I got buggins. Yeah, I'm still alive. They got the healer, but I'm still alive. But I missed the motherfucker that I wanted. Hey, left side. There's a guy. Get downstairs. Oh shit! Look at him. There's two more upstairs. You. There's two more. One jumping down. There's one more upstairs. To your left. To your left. To your left. To your left. He's right there. Oh shit! Sniper snapped up. I have to jump. Above us. Whoa. Nice. Hey, Usy's over here. Usy's holding on their spawn.
Just east of the location, there appears to be an enemy sniper.
Coming.
Well, they're coming hot for me because they want their LAV back, and I'm right at their base shooting them with it. Probably shouldn't be, but...
I know. The one across the room got me. The rogue ninja. I need a faster weapon.
Oh, Stein, I was saying, I still got their LAV. I'm sitting at the base with it.
Dude, where the fuck you going, idiot? This motherfucking crazy bastard!
Soldier, come back!
You dumbass idiot! I'm gonna just die. This goddamn idiot! Oh my god. Try spawning on you, man.
He
God,
hit
man,
me with
fucking
25mm and did that
Blueberry
damage.
just flew straight in the spawn.
How did that work?
Look at them behind me. Oh my god, I couldn't even squeeze it. I couldn't even fire a bullet. Count this bitch. Holy shit, I'll jump shot. Come on, man.
I have eyes on a hostile sniper east of your position.
Oh my days. And I got a Glock. Why didn't I have something more like...
Yep.
Hey, Austin. Austin.
In a second.
Austin, move. Go to Alpha. Go to Alpha. Left side building. There's a motherfucker up there I want. Right side building. Right side. Right. On your right. There he is. I want that bitch. I wanted him. You motherfucker. I told you I wanted his ass.
Sorry.
I got transfer coming in. I'm reloading my rockets. I'm reloading my rocket. Hey, guy right here. Guy up top, guy up top, guy up top. Got it. Rogue Ninja. That's two of the bitches I wanted. Rogue Ninja and his friend. One more downstairs.
What are you doing?
Downstairs. Sniper. Again, I don't know where them snipers at. I don't know where is he at.
Would you mind
Like I said, I don't even know where is he at. They got a beacon on Bravo. I better jump out the goddamn lava. What the fuck is going on? What? Run, run. I'm trying. Oh, I got no scope.
Objective Delta. Have eyes on hostile
Alpha
snipers
crazy.
just north of your position.
Look at them running. I'm going on the side of this building. God damn, I missed. Oh, I made it. Oh shit. Guy know I'm up here. Bitch. Got Johnny Ray, I got the final kill. Alright, boys and girls, thank you for tuning into the live feed. I have to get off now. It's very late in the morning for me. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Is better. Yep. So.
Alright. Screen is off too. 1820. Tiredness.